Hello traders, welcome to IQ Option Telugu. Today I am showing a very new strategy. This is the moving average. Placing it with trades with moving average. Okay, we check out moving average with right placing and moving trades. Okay, let's start trading. Right now the GBP JPY I'm using. Before starting trades, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Okay, let's start trading. Okay, let's move. But this is working for this trick is working 80 to 90% accurately. But if you're placing trades are confident, just placing, touching the points, and then only you place your tradings. Okay, observe first of all observe the candles, and after that only after confirmation only you have to take place your trades. Okay, there is a trick is nothing but two SMA lines. Moving average lines, use moving average lines. And what is the period of moving average lines is I just using moving averages. I just use moving averages, and the period of moving averages is just go for a moving average and again take moving average, and then and one period is 4 and take a color of green and take it whatever it maybe you use and use 4. Okay, already I used 4. Okay, first of all I remove all and now check it. Okay, go for moving average and take moving average again. The period is first one is period is 4 and color is I use dark green. Okay, and third one apply. Okay, this is the buying, and the again the moving average I will take again moving average. This period is 45 and I use red only. Again I go with apply. Okay, this is the uh, settings of my moving average. Once see some trades I will explain. See here I both of touch the line, and green is crossing the red line. That means go for call. Red line crossing the green line means go for put. Okay, I know I just takes few trades. Okay, this is going down. Okay, some more pairs. It take TVB JPY, Euro JPY. Okay, period is 1 minute only. Okay, this everything is same level. Chef JPY is moving up. Cat JPY. Okay, this is just crossed. See here. Once green line is crossing this level, crossing red line, and they take call here. You need best confirmation once it's both of the lines touching the both of the lines, then only you take call. See right now the green line is coming down. I already won one trade like this. Okay, I remove this trade. It's set as a 6. Okay, this CAD JPY. CAD JPY. Okay, this is coming down. Okay. I just missed my trade. After finishing this candle, I'll trade. Okay, take a time. Take extra 1 minute for this trade. See, this is the huge win. Okay, I won this trade. Like this, you place your trades. Again, one more Euro JP is very near to touching the both lines. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. 8 days. Okay, go Euro JPY. Just place extra minute. It will take extra minute. And so once check your SNRs too. This is the SNR level. Already broke the level. Okay. This is also a huge win. And one more opportunity will come soon. Okay, this is after this candle we place a trade. Once check out this SNRs too. Okay, I place my trade. This is the SNR level. Most of the time it will work. You have to check the market conditions too. Okay, this place this is my wrong trade because this is the SNR level. We have to check the SNR levels too. Okay, it will go after the candle. I think it will go after the candle also. Okay, the second I lost this trade. Okay, no problem. There is a no loss and neutralize. I missed CAD JPY also. USD JPY. Okay, like this only you have to trade. This is a very simple trick for newcomers. Don't invest in real money after you learn the trading. Okay, just if you like if you like my videos, please subscribe and share my videos. If you don't have any IQ option account, please see the description. We have a IQ option link below. Okay, let's close my trades. Thank you. If you like my videos and if you like my explanation, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Share my videos too.